Before beginning the endowment session, we share the following statement from the First Presidency of the Church. Brothers and sisters, since the temple endowment was first administered in this dispensation, occasional adjustments have been made by the First Presidency and the Quorum of the 12 Apostles, acting unitedly in their capacity as prophets, seers, and revelators. Upon seeking the will of the Lord and after solemn prayer in the upper room of the Salt Lake Temple, the Lord has again revealed inspired adjustments to the temple ceremonies. These adjustments, which you will notice during your worship experience in the temple today, will bring harmony to the way men and women make covenants with God. They deepen our understanding of His will and His relationship with His daughters and sons. These modifications do not affect the sacred and eternal covenants associated with the saving and exalting ordinances of the temple. As a reminder, due to the sacred nature of all temple ordinances, the fact and the content of these changes should not be discussed outside of the temple. May you feel the Lord's love as you serve in His holy house.
Brethren and sisters, we welcome you to the temple and hope you will find joy in serving in the house of